Face mask. During this pandemic season, this has become one of the essential things in our daily life. Everywhere we go and whenever we leave our house, we will need to bring one of these with us. But there is a few problems with it. First, when you wear this mask for a long period of time, it is not gonna perform as good as it was when you first wear it. Because when you breathe, your respiratory system is gonna release water vapor and it's gonna accumulate in the mask for a very long time, to the point that this mask is actually moist and it cannot repel any more water vapor or water droplet or aerosol from another person. So technically you are wearing nothing if you wear this for a prolonged period of time. So with that, allow me to introduce to you carbon mask. So what is a carbon mask? A carbon mask basically is an alternative to your conventional face mask, and it does not discriminate all those safety factors and adding a sense of fashion to it. I have two versions with me, one is gray, one is black, but that's not the main point here. The main point here is how well does it perform in our daily life, especially this pandemic season. So what is the specification of this carbon mask? Now, carbon masks, they have a standard of BFE more than 95%, which means that they can filter out 95% of the airborne bacterial, just like what this mask can do. It also has a PFE of more than 80%. Now, it means that it can filter out 80% of the airborne particles up to 300 nanometer. It also has a snugly fit design, which means that those who are wearing spectacles, you are not gonna face any issue of the fogging when you are wearing it. And the best part of it is that you can wash this mask. It is a reusable mask, but remember to wash it every 3 to 5 days. Talking about the 3 layers of this carbon mask. The outermost layer here is made of this antimicrobial moisture wicking fabric. So what it does is that it wicks all the water droplets or the aerosol that falls on here so that it won't be absorbed by the mask. And the second layer acts as a filter. It filters out all those airborne particles that you breathe in, like those air pollutants, those particles that are up to 300 nanometers. And the innermost layer here, it is made of this cotton layer, a breathable cotton. At the same time, it generates electrostatics. Now you see, when you wear it, for sure you will wrap it, right? The 3 layers will wrap each other, and in that sense, it will generate an electrostatic, which aids to repel those water droplets or aerosol that falls onto the outermost layer. And at the same time, it is breathable, so those people who have asthma issues, breathing difficulties, you are not gonna face any issue while wearing this mask. So you might ask, how do you actually wash the face mask? I will leave it on the screen for you, the steps, or you can visit the website. I will link in the description down below. So anything about this mask, you can contact me or you can contact them.